This is Anna first thing in the morning getting on with her chores. Hasn't even got dressed yet and we've already got her sweeping the floors. Sweepy sweep. Good girl, baby. Oop. She can see that bit that needs sweeping up. Good girl. Yeah. She can't quite coordinate. That's very good, darling.